welcome back to my channel! This is gonna be my first styling video using this silk scarf na nabili ko sa Shopee sa halagang 88 pesos lang. Tapos ang dami mong pwedeng gawing style. Pwede siyang head wrap or pony or kahit damit, mga tube tops, bandana tops, bandu, ganon. Siguro maikli lang tong video na to kasi konti lang naman din yung mga ginawa kong ways to style up using this silk scarf. And put it on just like a headband. For this one, it must be tied before you put it on. Make sure the tied part is in the back, then wear it like a hairband. First, fold your silk scarf diagonally, then put it on your back. Tie it in front and make sure it is tight. And rotate the scarf so it would look like this. This one, simply reverse the first style, the bandana top, to make it look like a bralette style or a bandu. Tie the tip of each end to its diagonal opposite. Then twist the tip part so it would have a cross-out look and put it on your neck. Lastly, fix the cross-out shape. Tie a pair of diagonal position tips and put it on. Then tie the remaining tips of the silk scarf to the back and make sure it is properly tied. Fold the silk scarf diagonally and then fold it again as shown. Then, put it in the front of your chest just like a tube and tie it tightly on your back. No one can nanonood ka pa rin sa part ng video na to, thank you so much, and I would like to encourage you to wear whatever clothes that you want. Kahit ako personally, hindi ganun kaputi yung kilikili ko. And as you can see dun sa previous video, kita yung veins ko kasi sobrang payat ko nga. Pero, nandun yung confident ko to wear these kinds of clothes. As long as you're comfortable, i-practice nyo na magsuot at mag-venture sa different kinds of clothes. Kasi sa fashion, sobrang daming magagandang style na pwede. Kahit ako dati, nahihiya din ako mag-sleeveless kasi nga, hindi din naman ganun kaputi yung kilikili ko. Pero, trinay ko, unti-unti. Generally, itong sinasabi ko na to, kung malaki yung braso mo at gusto mo mag-sleeveless, pero na-hesitate ka mag-sleeve, go mo yan. Kung hindi din ganun kaputi yung kilikili mo like me, pero hindi naman siya nakaka-asiwang tingnan or nakaka-bother tingnan, don't stop yourself dahil sa sasabihin ng ibang tao sa'yo. Or kung hindi ka pa talaga ganun ka-comfortable, unti-untiin mo lang. Pag-aralan mo hanggang makuha mo, hanggang masanay ka until when you get there, ma-reach mo yung point na comfortable ka na, sanay ka na, ganun confident enough ka na to wear sleeveless, to wear tube tops. I just want to empower you because I've been there, as long as happy ako at as long as gusto ko yon, comfortable naman ako sa mga sinusuot ko, I wear whatever I want. At yung mga sexy na damit, hindi lang naman yan sa mga mapapayat or sa mga skinny type. Naniniwala din ako doon na chubby is the new sexy. Wala yan sa body type para magsuot ng mga sleeveless, ng mga tube tops. Nasa sa'yo yan kung paano mo dadalhin yung damit, kung paano mo i-rock, isi-slay yung damit na suot mo. Sure lang na pag magsusuot kayo ng mga type of clothes na showing too much of your skin, make sure na secure at safe yung mga undergarments nyo para safe at walang makikita na hindi dapat. That's about it for this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. On to the next one!